Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's kind of late at night, but my parents are downstairs doing something. They're doing whatever they do. What? I'm not even on Roblox. What? Oh, dude, I have the perfect idea. So guys, I'm actually gonna go to my dad's room so I can show you how I'm gonna be playing with the computer. So you guys are just gonna have to like sit right here. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Totally. Okay. Good. Great. So while that's doing the computer thing, while the computer's doing the computer, I have baby hands, just so you know, guys. See, baby hands, and I heard that. Anyways, so see, guys, the computer's loading. I don't really see. I don't really think you want to see that, but yeah, guys. I don't know why I did that, but I wish there was like some way. Ooh, I have a good idea. Yes, I know. Everybody thinks my ideas are stupid. Please don't think that, please. Yeah, when I'm done with this video. Dude, I'm actually going to be playing on my dad's computer, so I can join you on whatever game you're playing, so. As long as it's not cat, because I can't play that on computer. It's too hard. Dude, I'm literally entering my password right now. Open Roblox. Okay, you guys did not need to hear that. But anyways, if you guys know, my comments are turned off. I'll figure that out before the next video comes out, which is probably going to be tomorrow. I'm probably going to be playing till around like 2:30 because my neighbor's grandkids are here till tomorrow. So so yeah, I'm just waiting for Roblox to load. I'm trying to if Roblox will load. Roblox can't load. What the frick is? Why does my dad have a thing called Garment Express? Nobody needed to hear that. But yeah, my dad has some weird stuff that I don't know. Families should not keep secrets from each other, right? And in my last video, I know I said this, guys, but follow me on Roblox. My name is in the last video that I did in the description box below. So I'm actually going to be, one of you guys will be lucky and I'll follow you and you'll be able to be my friend for 24 hours. I know, that's great, isn't it, guys? I do. Anyways, I'll text it to you in a second once the video is over. So, guys, I may actually have to say what? Because if I leave the app, then it'll shut off the YouTube video. It'll probably be too hard to understand, so I'll just tell you in a minute. Once the video's over. Dude, I'll just be playing this game for like a minute or something. Bro, I'm joining your game. I'm sending you my YouTube channel in like 2 seconds. Or like a minute. Whoa. I found something interesting. Really interesting. You guys did not need to hear that. Roblox, can you freaking load? Open Roblox. Guys, it is so hard on computer. Never play on a computer. It is like so hard, but it's getting ready to load. See, guys, look right here. Starting Roblox. Moments away from getting into the game. And yeah. Gunner's probably waiting for me. But yeah. You guys are gonna probably have to. Can you guys like see my screen? Hold on, let me try something. Scoot like way back. Yeah, you guys still can't see my screen. Maybe if I kind of go like this. Hold on. Just face this out. You guys see that? I need to bring it a little closer. There we go. I need that a little closer. So what we'll be doing, guys, is basically like, oh shoot. What we'll be doing, guys, is we'll be playing Roblox. Sort of, kind of, sort of. That type of thing. But yeah, be sure to like, comment. Oh, comments were turned off, I forgot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, if I even have those on. But, yeah. Let's get into the Roblox gameplay. Let's roll that intro. Yeah, guys, I don't actually have an intro, so I don't know why I said that. I used to make like a fake YouTube channel. That's why I said that. I said I used to. Pew! Oh shoot! I'm in the way. I'm in the way of the camera. So what do I need to do here? Hold on. I'll have to like scoot this thing over here so they can try to see what I'm doing. Go like this. Okay, guys. So oh, I need to get that walk speed. Yeah, guys, this game is actually really hard on computer. My friend plays it all the time, and it's actually really hard. So I really don't want to kill any bosses today, like I did on like my fake channel. I said I used to make a fake channel because ever since I started watching YouTube, I've been wondering how to make a YouTube channel, and then ever since then I wanted to be a YouTuber. So I've just been pretending for a long time. I'm blocking the gameplay again. What? Huh? What you gonna tell me? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yes. Boy. No, guys, I do not have the COVID-19. I'll be okay. If I do, anyway, guys, nobody needs to see that. I'm just gonna go grind the game. Now you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Let's go back over here. I'm basically just spamming the mouse. As you guys can tell, I don't have a mouse. So, yeah. I'll probably have to end the video off somewhere near here. Because I would like to play with my friend without, like, talking to you guys and not talking to him. Because he's probably really sad. I'm not talking to him. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what Gunnar says. I don't know what Gunnar feels because I'm not Gunnar. But Okay, guys, so that concludes today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and yes, and be sure to follow me on Roblox. Link is down in the description box below in my last video. Not the link, but the name. You guys can copy that if you're on computer or on mobile, like I am recording on right now. So, yeah, guys, this will be today's video. I'll see you guys next time.